Waterfalls. They take pride in falling down from the mountain height, smashing onto the rocky rocks. They are destined to fall and feel the pain, dividing their family, hoping to meet somewhere. They are afraid to be stagnant, not afraid to fall, not afraid of the dark. They continue to flow without doubt, facing the obstacles, finding their path, and not thinking about the destination. At the distance, you see her clear, closest, feel her. I hear the sounds that are soothing. It's like music, highs and lows, expressing their emotions, sharing stories from their incredible journey. A journey filled with courage and inspiration. A journey filled with happiness and love. Be like waterfalls.